how to remove your Google account from other devices. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Gmail on your device. At first, ensure you are on the correct Google account. If not, tap on the circle with your profile picture at the top right corner. A list of all the Google accounts on your device will appear. Select the correct Google account. Once you are on the correct account, tap on the circle with your profile picture again. Now, tap on Manage your Google account button. Then, Google account settings will open up. Swipe left on the tabs available at the top until you find the Security tab. Once found, tap on it. Now, scroll down until you find Your Devices section. Now, tap on Manage all devices. Then, you will see a list of all the devices logged into your Google account. If you come across any device that appears to be suspicious, then single tap on it once. The details of that device along with its recent activity on your Google account will be displayed. Over here, you will find an option to sign out. Tap on it to secure your account. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure about signing out the selected device from your Google account. Please note that signing out will remove access to your Google account on that device. If you are sure about your decision, then tap sign out. And boom! You have successfully learned how to remove your Google account from other devices. That's it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.